In this video, you will learn exactly how to do a SQL left join and even do a walkthrough in MySQL in a real database with real data. This is an example of what a typical SQL left join looks like. You have table A doing a left join to table B on a join key condition, in this case customer ID. In a SQL left join, all the records from the first table or table A are kept before, during, and after the left join. Any records that match based on the join key condition in table B will be brought across into the final table. In this example, we have two tables: player names, which is table A, and player locations, which is table B. What we want to do is we want to create a final table that has both customer names and customer locations. So the final table should have first name, last name, city, state, and postal code. We're going to be doing a left join from table A to table B to create this final table, and we're going to be doing it on the join key condition of customer ID. You'll notice that in table A there are two highlighted records. So for Todd and Willie, you'll notice that their customer ID value does not exist in table B. So because of that, they will still make it to the final table, but city, state, and postal code will be null for them. So let's do this in MySQL. But first, we're going to look at table A. So again, this holds the player names. So as you can see, there are 10 records with player first name and last name. So this is table B, and table B only has 8 records, and it has the player's city, state, and postal code. So let's do a left join together. So we're going to bring the customer ID, the first name, and the last name from table A. And then we're going to do a left join over to table B on the join key condition of customer ID. And if there's a match, we're going to bring across the player's city, state, and postal code. Now you notice that after we run this query, for Todd and Willie, those values from table B, city, state, and postal code, will be null. So here we go, here's our final table. Thank you so much for joining this tutorial.